Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vishal. I am an intern of AINEAI, and as a part of a task, we got to prepare create a game, rock paper scissors. We all have played rock paper scissors in our childhood, and if we go and so we have chosen the Python programming language for creating this rock paper scissors program, and I chose the Jupyter Notebook as one of the IDE of the Python. So here we're gonna how it I'm explaining the code and steps how it gonna work. So here we have imported modules of the Python, two modules, that is random and sys. Random help us to generate random numbers, and sys help us to understand the different input which you're going to give in. Like you're going to find the input function within this program or method. So see, these variables keep track of the win loss and ties. So we have created the three variables here: win loss, ties, which you're going to keep track, means which you're going to identify the if there is winning or losing. So we are using the while loop. There is two kind of loop, for loop and while loop, but we are using the while loop because it work on the condition, and we have already given a conditions. So while true means until these conditions are true, we have the main game loop. So this is a main loop, and here we have see another loop, that is the nested loop for the player input. So see, we are going to print all these things: win, loss, and tie. Now in the player loop, see, enter your move, rock, paper, and scissors. Here player move is equal to input. So input will take this, means it will take the help of sys module, and it's gonna help us to take this different options. So if player move is equal to q, system sys.exist exit and quitting the program. If player move is equal to r or player move is equal to s, or player move is equal to p, break, means we are breaking the nested loop here. Like we are asking this loop to stop here, and we are printing the type one of the PQR. So whatever the player is typing here, so if anything is, if a player is typing anything else out of this, then we are asking the player to type only R, P, rock, paper, scissors, or quit. Now here display what computer choose. We are coming out of this nested loop. We are coming to the main loop. If player move is equal to R, rock, we are printing rock versus what the system is choosing. If player move is equal to P, rock, paper versus what here is choosing. If player move is equal to S, rock, scissors versus system is choosing. So if random, see, display what computer choose. Random number is equal to random. 1 to 3 means it will take the random number from 1 to 3. If random number is equal to 1, computer move is equal to R, print rock. If elif, that means see here this if elif are the nothing but the it is a logical functions for the different for these all are the logical functions which are gonna help us to identify, to decide the better things. It helps us for comparison. So this is the random number 1, random move is equal to R, print rock. And if random number 2, computer move P. So we are assigning these numbers to the different options available in the game. Now display the record, win or lose or tie. If player move is equal to computer move, it's tie. Tie means here we are adding to this variable tie is equal to plus tie plus 1. If player move is equal to R, computer move is equal to S, you win. It's what the rock gonna break the scissors, win 1. If player move is equal to P and computer move is equal to R, like paper gonna cover the rock. So you win is equal to 1. So it will get added into the win variable. If player move is equal to S and computer move is equal to paper, you win again. So this is what the seizures cut the paper. Elif, again we are like player move is equal to P and the computer move is equal to S, you lose because what paper, if player means sorry, seizures cut the paper. So like this only, like suppose here the seizures cut, seizures rock take the seizures, here the paper cover the rocks, and this. Now this how we understood the code. Now let's run this code and understand how this is working. So I'm running the code. See, rock, paper, scissors, the game name win is equal to what? All 0, 0, 0. Enter a move. It's asking us to enter the move. So this is, we create this dialog box by using the input function as I told you here. Where is it? Yeah. So it worked. Now, suppose this is, we choose R. Rock versus rock. Means computer also choose rock. So it's time. Now here, again, if you choose paper, see, paper versus rock. Computer choose, what computer choose? Rock. We choose paper. You win. Means we won. We won. Now we are switching scissors. See, scissors. Scissors versus paper. This time computer choose paper. So what? We won. Scissors cut the paper. Now if we choose the rock again, see, rock versus rock. Now again we choose scissors. See, scissors versus rock. We lost. We won 2, lost 1, tie. Now again, if we have different, again another one, paper, scissors, paper versus paper, each time. So like this it works. And if you press the quit button, an exception occur. So system.exist, system exit. So we are out of this. Yeah, so this is what I have created the program for our internship first task. And so yeah, thank you.